Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both phones so the transfer is immediate. Make sure Quick Share is enabled and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi are on. Once done, open the item you want to share and tap the share icon. Choose Quick Share from the menu. This step creates the visible share offer and lets the receiving device detect you. Make sure you remain close enough for discovery. Doing this first prevents wait time later and speeds the pairing and transfer negotiation. Next, pick the recipient from the Quick Share list that appears. You'll see device names and thumbnails. Once you select the recipient, the other person must accept the incoming connection prompt. Confirm the preview to ensure it's the right file. If discovery fails, change visibility settings to everyone temporarily. When done, revert to contacts for privacy. This connection step negotiates encryption and transfer method, so accepting quickly reduces time and prevents duplicate attempts. Finally, watch the transfer progress indicator until it reaches 100%. Larger videos will take longer and show an ETA. Once complete, open the file from your notifications or the Photos/Files app to confirm integrity. If the transfer stalls, make sure both devices stay awake and within range, then toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or restart Quick Share and retry. These quick resets clear temporary network issues. If problems persist, reboot both phones to restore discovery and try the process again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.